Today we're exploring the design, performance, and features of the NIMO Gaming to see who it's really for. The NIMO Gaming has earned a perfect 5.0 to 5 rating from 6 reviewers, indicating that this desktop is widely regarded as an excellent choice for both gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. One of the key features that sets the NIMO Gaming apart is its powerful hardware. The latest Blackwell architecture and 8GB GDDR7 VRAM provide 614 AI tops of performance, making it an excellent choice for hardcore gamers playing 3A masterpieces at 2K high FPS, as well as digital creators rendering video or running local AI tools like Stable Diffusion. This level of performance is perfect for those who need smooth multitasking without lag. The Intel Core i5-14400F processor provides another boost to the desktop's performance, with 10 cores and 16 threads at up to 4.7 GHz turbo speed. This makes it an ideal choice for competitive gamers streaming gameplay and professionals running heavy background tasks. The advanced Intel Thread Director ensures that gaming performance and heavy workloads are balanced perfectly, providing a lag-free experience. In addition to its powerful hardware, the NIMO Gaming also comes equipped with 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD. These components ensure lightning-fast boot times and data transfers, making it perfect for office professionals handling massive Excel sheets, streamers managing live broadcasts, and gamers storing huge 3A game libraries. The desktop is assembled in the USA with a 2-year warranty, eliminating DOA risks and ensuring top-tier quality. The comprehensive brand warranty and extended 90-day return window provide an entirely risk-free investment for remote professionals and parents buying a premium, hassle-free tech gift. When it comes to design and build quality, the NIMO Gaming's panoramic ocean view case is a standout feature. The full black tempered glass case showcases your setup with vibrant, customizable ARGB fans and a premium Valkyrie 6 heat pipe dual tower air cooler, ensuring maximum thermal efficiency with zero liquid leakage risk. Now that we've explored the key specifications and design of the NIMO Gaming, let's talk about how it performs in everyday use. In our tests, the desktop demonstrated excellent performance across a range of tasks, from gaming to video editing. The 14th Gen Intel i5 processor provided smooth multitasking without lag, while the 16GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB NVMe SSD ensured lightning-fast data transfers. One area where the NIMO Gaming falls short is in terms of cooling. While the ARGB fans provide good airflow, some users may find them a bit loud. However, this is a minor quibble considering the desktop's overall performance and value proposition. In conclusion, the NIMO Gaming is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, reliable desktop that can handle demanding tasks with ease. Its balanced design, impressive performance, and comprehensive warranty make it an attractive option for both gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike. You can check the latest price and availability using the links in the description.